stiff yet because it's cold. Starting to warm up a little bit, but the last couple of weeks has been minus 30, minus 40, even touched minus 50 a couple nights. So now that it's starting to warm up a bit, we got some grain to move. The grain we want to move is in grain bags. So in order to get to the grain bags, we need to plow some snow to access them. But as you can see, there's a lot of snow out here. It's drifted almost as high as the bag, and the bag's a little beat up with birds and deer and stuff over the winter. So yeah, a lot of snow to get rid of in order to get our semis in here to get it out of here. And hard to tell where the bag actually is. You can just see the top of it. I'm just trying to clear the start here. There's tires on there to keep the plastic down before the snow. I found the boards on the end of the bag to help seal it up, so I'm getting close. Try not to puncture it. Dad's clearing on either side of the bag because we have to get around with the trucks. The extractor will be here, so we got to load on this side and get around on the other side. We had 8 bags total, and we have 5 cleaned up, and so we only got 3 left that are covered in snow. Let's see how close I am to the bag. Oh, it's a pound there. Okay, I'm pretty close. Now you do not want to touch the side of the bag with the bucket, because that would rip it open instantly. It's hard to know where the bag starts. You kind of gotta take a little bit at a time and get out and check how close you are. Videos will soon start rolling out as I end my YouTube winter hibernation. As springtime approaches, getting a little bit busier, moving some grain, cleaning up these grain bags, fertilizer coming in, seed coming in, chem coming in. It's starting to warm up. It's not minus 45 anymore. When it's cold, you know, sometimes I just hide in the shop or the house. Still doing stuff, still busy, still planning for upcoming season, but had to take a little break from the YouTube for a bit, hit the old reset button. Plus had to escape to Mexico for a bit there too, so that took a week. There it is, 13,000 bushels of wheat that was buried in the snow. I got the bag half started here. It's in rough shape. Once I can get it started and going and cutting, if it's not spoiled, it's not too bad. The birds sit on here and peck at it, make a hole, and then the deer find it. And once the snow is high enough, then they walk on here and walk all over. It's like a 24-hour buffet. Yikes. Not good. Need enough plastic to have some strength to pull the tractor. Got to back up a little bit slowly if it's in this bad a shape. It needs the plastic pulls the tractor back. Holy man. Couple bad spots here at the start, and then one bad one about a third down, and after that, hopefully we're not too much trouble. Oh man. All the holes you can see in there. It's slowly getting plugged off with snow and spoiled grade. Had to scoop a little bit out. Maybe it'll go through eventually. Almost through the bad spot here. Trying to move it around. We sprung a leak. Now it's an extra step to bin the grain rather than haul it straight in from the bag, but when you want to get the bags cleaned up, it's a little bit faster than hauling it straight from the bag to the terminal. Plus when you go to actually haul the wheat, loading from the bin, it's a little bit quicker. Then too, just a little extra step right now. Plus when you have the mess that we do at the bag, it's kind of a headache if you were to haul it straight in. There's a lot of holes. So we gotta get as much snow off the bag as we can, because if it's not cleared, the snow will get wrapped in the roller along with the used plastic, and then it just takes up too much room. So just try to clear off as much snow as possible. It's really bad on this side because it's drifted so bad. Want to see what I found on the road? A treasure? Someone broke a wheel stud. So now it just sits in here. Getting there. Almost half done. -6. And it's almost melting out. It's a nice change after a long stretch of cold weather. About as much fun as you can have in a day. A couple loads left there. We'll finish that off in the morning. And yeah, videos are gonna start rolling out. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys watching this, and I'm excited for the upcoming farming season. I'm gonna get a little bit of winter content out here. I know guys have been asking for that, so we're gonna get a little bit of that out here. And yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching.